Good evening. I am here to discuss Simonson's equivalency theory and how the implementation, development, and creation of it affects kindergarten through 12th grade classrooms who participate in distance learning environments. So, what is Simonson's equivalency theory? Simonson theorizes that for distance education to be successful in the United States, its appropriate application should be based on the approach that the more equivalent the learning experiences of distance students are to that of local students, the more equivalent will be the outcomes of the learning experience, and as quoted by Simon, Smaldino, and Spacek. Basically, distance learning and traditional classroom learning offer the same objectives, but the instructional styles are completely different. What this theory is saying that in order for distance education to be successful, the learning objectives have to align with those same learning objectives in the traditional classroom environment, but the instructional methods would have to be different because the students are in two different learning environments. In a traditional classroom, the students are all up under one roof in the same classroom. In a distance learning environment, you have students scattered in different countries, different states, different cities all over the world. So in order for the same outcome to be achieved as far as in the traditional classroom, different instructional methods have to be used in the distance learning program in order for it to work. Different environment equals equal objectives. Distance learning, like the traditional classroom, requires varying instructional methods for the diverse group of students' learning styles that are present. In order for Simonson's equivalency theory to be implemented in kindergarten through 12th grade classroom learning environments, the same concept of focusing on ensuring that teachers reach the learning styles, the varied and diverse learning styles of the students in the classroom needs to be applied in the distance learning program, because not only are the students in the distance learning program in different environments, but you're reaching probably twice as many different learning styles as you would in a normal classroom setting. So in order for Simonson's equivalency theory to work in the K through 12 classrooms in a distance learning program, you have to make sure that the learning styles of each student is awoken basically off of the instructional methods that the teacher uses. We have to use varying instructional methods in order to reach the many different learning styles that come with teaching in a distance learning program. Thank you for listening to my discussion post on the Simonson equivalency theory, and I hope that you have a good evening.